This is question number 8 on the Unit 1 review. If you look at this one has a lot of things going on. It has distributive, we probably have combining like terms. First thing we need to do is distribute. You got to be careful here because we could be distributing negatives, we could be distributing numbers, so we have to be careful. So in this case here, if you look at it right here, this right here, there's no sign, no plus or minus between the 4 and the parentheses, so we're going to multiply it to both numbers or everything inside. So -4 times a -2, and I'm going to undo that so we don't get confused. Alright, so we're going to take -4 and we're going to multiply it to 2. And that answer is -8x. Now we're going to take -4 and we're going to multiply it to -5. And that gives me a +20. Alright, now I don't distribute the negative to the 7 here. This 7 does not get multiplied by -4 because it's not inside the parentheses. So we're just going to write +7 here. It's like the other side too. The other side, the 8 is not being multiplied to the parentheses. Now there is a negative right here. Now that negative is going to be multiplied, alright, but not the 8. So we're going to go ahead and put an 8 down. Alright, so what's a negative times 3x? Well, that's a -3x. What's a negative multiplied to +6? Well, that will make the positive turn to a -6. Now I get to combine like terms. So if you notice, I'm going to go ahead, I don't see any negative, no more x's on this side of the equal sign, so I'm just going to write it down. The other one, I see a +20, these are regular numbers, and a +7, so that's going to be a +27. Alright, on the other side, I have a +8, remember that's a positive, and this is a -6, so 8 minus 6 is 2, and then I have a -3x on the other side. Alright, now I'm going to play like we talked about the tennis. We're going to make the easy pass or the easy serve and the complex serve. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 27. Notice I'm doing the opposite because I'm moving this guy to the opposite side. So -8x, this becomes a 0 pair, so I'm going to leave that alone. +2 plus 27 makes -25 minus 3x. Alright, now that I've moved the easy number over, now I'm going to do the complex one. I'm going to move it over this side. So I'm going to do the opposite of -3, which is +3x. Now I end up, watch your signs again, -5x minus 25, and that becomes 0 pair. Alright, so I divide both sides by -5. And then so x equals +5. And so this is my answer. And again, I could check it to make sure it's right. Go in and make sure I didn't make a mistake.